Cat treats come in a wide variety of different forms, from protein-rich and grain-free options to specialty treats for hairball control or dental support. Shopping for cat treats is just as tricky as choosing the ideal cat food in many ways. You need to pay attention to the ingredients list as well as the calorie content to make a smart choice. Before we get started with our video detailing the best cat treats on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off with the best overall cat treats, we have the PureBites freeze-dried cat treats. The perfect cat treats will be made with high-quality, healthy ingredients in a formula your cat finds irresistible. It should be low in calories and made with ingredients that will complement rather than detract from your cat's diet. For nutritious, flavor-rich cat treats, both you and your cat will love. Our top pick is PureBites freeze-dried cat treats. These treats touch upon all of these requirements and more. PureBites freeze-dried cat treats are made with a single ingredient, 100% pure meat such as chicken breast, shrimp, turkey breast, ocean whitefish, or duck liver. These treats are gently freeze-dried and not cooked to preserve the nutritional integrity and natural flavor of the raw ingredients. All PureBites treats are made in the USA and designed to appeal to your cat's cravings for meat, while still being low in calories, with just 2 calories per treat. Heavy names these PureBites freeze-dried cat treats its second choice among the top 10 cat treats. The review speaks to the appealing aroma of the treats, making note that they are freeze-dried raw for maximum flavor and nutrition. These treats are included in the top 10 list for Entirely Pets, and they are a top pick for kittycatter.com. Our test cats enjoyed both the shrimp and chicken flavors, though they were less fond of the beef liver. With nearly 500 customer reviews on Amazon and a solid 4.5-star rating, cat owners love these treats just as much as their cats do. Customers love the high quality and low price of these cat treats, though some cats simply don't like some of the flavors as much as others. Next up, we have the best crunchy cat treats, which goes to the Wellness Kittles Crunchy Cat Treats. When it comes to treats, cats love a strong aroma and natural meat flavor. Some cats also prefer a crunchy rather than a moist texture. Crunchy cat treats have an added benefit of helping to scrape plaque off the treat. Our top pick for a crunchy cat treat that offers the ideal combination of flavor and nutritional value is Wellness Kittles Crunchy Cat Treats. Made with all-natural ingredients including real meat as the first ingredient, Wellness Kittles Crunchy Cat Treats are a healthy choice for your cat. Available in 6 meat-rich flavors, these treats are grain-free and made without artificial additives or byproducts. With a short list of ingredients, these crunchy cat treats will support your cat's nutrition rather than detract from it, and he'll love the crunchy texture as well as the natural meat flavor. Plus, they are made in the USA and backed by the Wellness Guarantee. Wellness Kittles Crunchy Cat Treats were ranked among Heavy's top 10 list of the best cat treats, which notes the use of natural ingredients as well as the low-calorie recipe. Brief reviews from both That Cat blog and Death by Chocolate Lab highlights the 6 flavor options and the fact that these treats appeal to even the pickiest eaters. Our test cats received the duck and cranberries flavor and devoured the treats as soon as they hit the ground. With nearly 600 customer reviews on Amazon and a solid 4.5-star rating, these Wellness Kittles Crunchy Cat Treats are extremely popular and highly affordable. Customers report positive reactions from their cats, with very few negative reviews. Up next, we have the best freeze-dried cat treats, which goes to the Orijen Tundra freeze-dried cat treats. Many pet food manufacturers utilize a production process called extrusion, in which the raw ingredients are ground together while being cooked at high temperatures. Not only does this process result in an amalgamated, unnatural-looking product, but it also destroys much of the nutritional integrity of the raw ingredients. The freeze-drying process, on the other hand, involves slowly drying the raw ingredients to remove moisture without destroying the natural enzymes and nutrients they contain. Our top pick for freeze-dried cat treats is Orijen Tundra freeze-dried cat treats. Made by one of the top pet food manufacturers in the United States, these Orijen Tundra freeze-dried cat treats are packed with premium proteins and completely free from grains and carbohydrates. Featuring 100% pure meat ingredients like regional wild boar and Arctic char, these treats will support your cat's nutrition rather than detracting from it. Each treat contains a rich blend of fresh meat and organs in whole prey ratios, not to mention plenty of natural flavor. Reviews.com suggests that feeding your cat Orijen Tundra freeze-dried cat treats offers nearly the same nutritional benefit as feeding him fresh bites of meat because they are freeze-dried, not cooked. The site also notes that these treats are chewier and less crumbly than other freeze-dried treats. Our test cats were less fond of freeze-dried cat treats than crunchy treats as a whole, but they preferred Orijen Tundra freeze-dried cat treats over the other products tested. With a 5-star rating on Amazon and a 4.5-star rating on Chewy.com, these Orijen Tundra freeze-dried cat treats are popular among cats as well as their owners. Next, we have the best cat treats with catnip, which goes to the Sojos certified organic catnip. Catnip is a herb belonging to the mint family, and it contains an attractive chemical compound called neptalactone. This compound is known for giving cats a natural high, and while only 75% of cats react to it, those that do exhibit amusing behaviors like rolling, sniffing, rubbing, and jumping after eating it. Neptalactone is most highly concentrated in the flowers and leaves, so catnip treats should be made with those parts of the plant. Our top pick for catnip treats is Sojos Certified Organic Catnip. Organically grown and hand-harvested, Sojos Certified Organic Catnip is top of the line. It is 100% certified organic, grown without chemical pesticides, and free from artificial additives. This premium dried catnip is made from only the finest flower tops and leaves and dried at the peak of freshness, ensuring a dark green color, a strong aroma, and potent chemical effects. It also comes in a handy tin for freshness and convenience. A reviewer from Kitty Catter speaks to the freshness and lovely green color of the catnip, as well as the convenience of the resealable tin. This review also notes that while Sojos Certified Organic Catnip may be more expensive, it has fewer stem fragments and a stronger fragrance than many catnips on the market. A reviewer from Dogtime highlights the fact that it is hand-grown and hand-picked. Our test cats preferred fresh catnip in general, but among the dried catnips tested, Sojos Certified Organic Catnip performed the best. With nearly 400 reviews on Amazon and a solid 4.5-star rating, Sojos Certified Organic Catnip is a favorite among cats and cat owners alike. Customers love the potency and freshness of the catnip, while cats enjoy the strong aroma. And for our last pick, we have the best cat treats for dental hygiene, which goes to the Virbac CET Oral Hygiene Chews. By the age of 4 years old, more than 85% of cats have some degree of periodontal disease. Over time, bacteria collects on the surface and turns into plaque. When plaque mixes with saliva, it turns into a hard substance called tartar, which can lead to gum inflammation, infection, and even bone damage. Many dental cat treats are crunchy, designed to scrape plaque off the cat's teeth, but there is no concrete evidence to show that this actually works. For a dental treat that does work, our top choice is Virbac CET Oral Hygiene Chews. Marketed as enzymatic oral hygiene chews for cats, Virbac CET Oral Hygiene Chews feature a dual enzyme system that prevents new plaque from forming, while the abrasive action that comes from the chewy texture cleans existing plaque off your cat's teeth. These chewy treats are made from farm-raised catfish that has been freeze-dried rather than cooked to protect the nutritional integrity of the raw ingredients. The only other ingredients are nutritional supplements and enzymes. The Cat Digest names Virbac CET Oral Hygiene Chews among their top 10 picks for cat treats overall, noting that they come in both fish and poultry flavors. A detailed review from Entirely Pets speaks to the natural flavor of the treats, as well as the efficacy of the dual enzyme system in removing and preventing disease-causing plaque. One of our test cats refused the treat, but the others seem to enjoy the chewy texture and fish flavor. With more than 1,200 reviews on Amazon, these Virbac CET Oral Hygiene Chews are wildly popular among cat owners and beloved by cats. They may be pricier than other cat treats, but consumers praise them as an alternative to brushing the cat's teeth. So that sums up our top cat treats of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.